video, I'm going to be unboxing the September 2018 BeautyFIX box. This is one of my favorite subscriptions. It is a little bit pricier than the other ones that I get, but it's $24.95 a month. But the products you get in here are just so worth it. I like skincare. I like getting a lot of skincare, and this is mainly a skincare subscription box. Now you do get occasional hair products and a few makeup items, but most of the time it's skincare, and it's usually high-end expensive stuff. So I highly recommend it. Occasionally there'll be a month or two where it's not the most exciting, and I know some of the summer boxes like July or June, they weren't the best, at least in my opinion, but now I see that they are picking it back up, getting better, and this is the BeautyFIX that I usually know. The value is always there, so let's just get right into it. I did open up the box and I gave a breakdown of the prices, so just to give you an idea of what to expect if you are interested, I'll have the link down below too. Now, if you don't want a subscription, you could also get the box as a one-time purchase, and that would be for $10 more. So instead of the monthly $24.95 a month, it would be one charge of $34.95, and you could get September's box without being locked into a subscription. And I can tell you that even for that price, this is worth it. It comes just like this. When you open it up, you'll have a little pamphlet on the top, and it'll give you some information and the theme. On the front, you could see that the theme is called Back to Basics. It says, school is in session, we're going back to the fundamentals, grab a pen and paper because this month we're going to relearn a few beauty basics. In this lesson plan, you'll become well-versed in all things self-care, from managing your mane to stopping acne before it starts, because nothing is basic about an educated queen. And then you'll have your products on the inside, and then on the other side, on every single month they do this. So if you go to dermstore.com/basics, you can get some of the full-size items for 20% off, and that's if you use the code Back to Basics. So if you are interested in any of these full-size items and you are a subscriber, you could use that code and get a percentage off of the full size. So the first product, let's just go with the smallest thing. This is from Skin Iceland. These are the blemish dots. It says, did you know you can banish pimples before they make it to the surface? Use these botanical infused dots to get ahead of breakouts. Now, I never used these before, but I have used the Peter Thomas Roth ones, and I love them. Usually if you feel a pimple coming on, that's what these are. These little dots that you put right over the pimple. You go to sleep with it, and the next morning it really takes away the redness, the inflammation, and you can already tell that the swelling is going down. Now, this is a sheet of 12, so you have 12 uses out of this. The value of this is $5 because you could get the full size for $20, and that comes with 48 dots. Not 48 sheets, but 48 dots. So I think that this is really good because it's not just a one-use product. This is something that has 12 different uses out of it. I'm really happy to see this. The next thing is something that I actually have tried before. I got it in an Ipsy, so I was really surprised to actually see it in this box, and it's the BeautyFIX Micro Exfoliant. This was really nice. It's very fine. The beads are not large. The exfoliation, it's a little rougher than some, but if you just do it gently, it really does take away whatever clogged pores you have. It doesn't have much of a scent. It's actually a really good exfoliant. Now, this is valued at $6. The full size is 3.4 ounces, and that's 60 bucks. The next thing is from Juice Beauty, and it's the Green Apple Cleansing Bar. Starting your day with this antioxidant-infused, not-so-basic bar soap will set your skin up for success no matter what the day holds. I think this is a body bar, honestly. It says, renew, revitalize, and soften your skin with this cleansing bar formulated with organic sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, and a blend of organic botanical juices, infused with bright cactus notes to leave skin refreshed and glowing. And the reason why I say I think it's for your body, because it says work bath bar until lather and massage all over your body. Bars of soap last forever. This is actually a really good size. It has that Juice Beauty signature scent. It's like a citrusy, herbally scent that I personally really like. Not quite sure what the value of this size is, which is 1.2 ounces, but the 4.8 is $12. Next thing is from somewhere that I cannot pronounce. It's I don't know, it's a perfume. Comptoir Sud Pacifique. Butchered that. I know I butchered that. It's in the scent Vanilla Blackberry. It says, all day freshness is a beauty basic. Do a quick 3 spritz of this elegantly simple perfume for hours of tantalizing aroma. So this is actually a pretty good size. This is not a typical perfume sample size. Usually they're half the size of this. You can smell like the blackberry and the vanilla. I like it. I think this is a really good fall scent. The 1 ounce of this perfume is only $38. So if you like it, it's very reasonably priced. This is from Dermalogica. This is a rapid reveal peel. It says it's new. Must have just came out not long ago. It says, start fresh, give yourself a fresh new canvas by using a peel. Safely remove impurities to even brighten and reveal brand new skin. Now this is like an individual use peel. It says massage over face, allow to activate for 3 to 7 minutes. You may experience slight tingling or warming. Rinse with cold water or wipe off with a cold damp towel. And then it says it's recommended for evening use. It's $85 for 10 of these. So this little thing right here is valued at $8.50. I know this is a really good brand, and every single thing I've tried from Dermalogica I love. So the next product is from Murad. It's the Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Moisturizer is your skin's best friend. Infuse your skin every day with luxurious oil-free hydration to keep skin plump, firm, and healthy. Now this is 0.25 fluid ounces. And the value of this is $8.82. You can get the full size, which is 1.7 ounces, for $60. This is part of the Age Reform line. Now, I love Murad. I've gotten quite a few things from them, and I enjoy all of the Murad products. I have a face wash, exfoliator I'm using. I have a moisturizer that I have like this much left of. So this is a little tiny sample size. It is like that gel consistency. It kind of reminds me of the consistency of the Tatcha gel cream. It doesn't have much of a scent. It goes on just like a gel, and then it absorbs really nicely. It does not feel sticky at all. So the next thing, which is pretty interesting, and this is the hair product of the month, and it's from Harry Josh Pro Tools. It's a mini detangling brush. This is $12 on the Dermstore site, and I thought this was really nice because it's different. One month we received a comb. I think it was from the same brands, I'm not sure. This is great to travel with, and if you don't want to bring like your full-size brush, but this is really nice. I have pretty thick hair and it does get tangled a lot, but hopefully this will go through that. We'll try it. Here's a full-size product, and this is the one makeup item, which I'm really happy to see because I don't have many lip liners, but this is the Laura Geller Pout Perfection Waterproof Lip Liner. Now you could have received either the shade Spice or Nude. They're not very different. They do put a little picture here of the shades. They're not so different. I think the Nude is just a little bit lighter than this one. This is the Spice. It is full size, as you can see, and it is $18. That is what the tip looks like. I love, 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 love the shade. I think it's really nice for the fall. It's gonna be perfect. It would work, it would have worked perfect with the lipstick I have on now, definitely. Went on really nicely. It definitely doesn't look patchy. And then the last but not least, the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. It says it's an exfoliant designed to safely remove the top layer of skin. Reveal younger, brighter looking skin in minutes with this cult favorite. This is the full size, and this is $79. So right there, this makes this box worth it. This is what the package looks like. The size of this is, it's only 2 ounces and it's $79. I think that's absolutely crazy. I just would never pay $79 for this. Contains aluminum oxide crystals, lactic acid, and soothing botanicals. The same ingredients used in our medical office for microdermabrasion procedures. Polishes away dead skin cells, revealing radiance. Renews dull skin, providing a healthy look. helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. So it states here to use this, you would dampen skin with warm water, slowly and gently massage cream onto skin for 1 to 2 minutes, avoiding the eye area. Rinse well and pat dry. It says best if used 1 to 2 times per week. I think that this month's box was absolutely amazing. BeautyFIX and Dermstore really hit it right on the head. Like, this was a really nice box for September. 8 products, $24.95 for that, and I really enjoyed this box. I cannot wait to see what October brings. Every single month, I just love to see what they offer. BeautyFIX is literally the first box I receive of the month. Their shipping, everything is just so good. I get this box so quickly. Every single month, it's the first one. I've never had any issues with them. It is a really good subscription. So again, I'll have the link down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video and unboxings, give this a thumbs up. So keep a lookout for all the rest of my September unboxings. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.